So, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. I'm your host, Ray from Keeping It Real. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing because on this channel, we talk anything and everything regarding credit, personal finance, tips and tricks on real estate, you name it, you're gonna find it here on this channel. Now, first things first, I wanna welcome you guys to a new year, 2020. And if we're gonna start the new year right, it's important to know how we're gonna go ahead and boost our credit scores because I know a lot of you guys have set some of your financial goals, and I think credit will be very beneficial to go ahead and accomplish those goals when it comes to buying a new car, a new home, invest in new businesses or other ventures. So with that being said, you might want to listen up because we're gonna go ahead and talk about how you're gonna be able to improve your credit score right now, instantly, in just minutes. Could your score use a little bit of a boost? Well, soon enough, you'll be able to increase your credit score in the matter of minutes. Experian has announced a new program that will give consumers with limited credit history an opportunity to prove that they're trustworthy borrowers by using the information from their checking accounts. That's right, I said it, checking accounts. Millions of Americans could instantly improve their credit score thanks to the new credit scoring program. Consumers who choose to use their new program will be able to use their phone and utility bill payments from the past 2 years in order to demonstrate financial responsibility. This process would only take just a few minutes and potential lenders will receive this updated FICO score instantly. Let's learn more about Experian Boost and how can it affect your credit score overall. By allowing lenders to see your recurring payments, you will be able to help build positive payment history, length of credit, and therefore your credit score instantly. Only your positive payment history is collected and can be removed with new data at any time. Experian Boost will be especially beneficial to those with limited credit history and will demonstrate to lenders that you should be extended that line of credit. Those who have not been able to get approved for credit in the past can now look forward to establishing a newfound credit history. Now, a little bit of a fun fact, when Experian first announced this program, they estimated approximately 100 million American consumers had scores that were too low or did not have enough credit history, which caused them to be denied loans or pay outrageous interest rates. Consumers with poor credit scores end up paying actually approximately $200,000 more for credit throughout their lifetime. And that's a lot of money, and just imagine what you can do with all that money. It's important to have good credit when it comes to getting utility services, renting an apartment, or even getting better insurance rates. Some employers even look at your applicant's credit reports before even hiring. We don't even realize that such important parts of our lives are affected by credit scores overall. And if you have a score between 580 and 669, you will be able to benefit the most from this new program. So how exactly does Experian Boost work? Experian Boost will calculate your new credit score based on the FICO scoring 8 model and give you an extra points for the utility and mobile phone bills you're already paying. As you may already know, these payments did not affect your credit score in the past, and it's possible that your lender or insurer may use a different FICO scoring system other than the FICO scoring 8 model, or a completely different type of credit score. Also, keep in mind that not all lenders use Experian credit files. Either way, this program allows you to be in control, and opting into this program can be very beneficial to your credit in the long run. Credit reporting agencies have been working to give lenders the tools to extend credit to more borrowers. Lenders will now have access to more data in order to make better decisions on whether or not to approve a borrower. This is also a new scoring system called a Ultra FICO that uses the information from your checking and savings account to demonstrate responsible financial behavior. These two new tools, Ultra FICO and Experian Boost, will allow credit to be extended to those consumers who may have not qualified in the past. So go ahead and give this new program a try, and you may just see an instant boost in your credit score. Experian Boost is actually available for you guys right now. So make sure to sign up on Experian.com, and you'll also be able to check your FICO score for free and get a copy of your Experian credit report. Also, don't forget to take advantage of our free credit evaluation. Sign up with the link in the description below, or my business's information is actually located in the description under Score Shield's financial group, so that you can speak to me or one of my credit analysts to to give you some more insight of what options you have available with your credit. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for the love and support. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace. Looking forward to speaking to you guys.